Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking an exclusive first look at one of the most anticipated cars of the year, the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid. This car is more than just a fuel-efficient machine. It's a perfect blend of modern technology, performance, and eco-friendliness. Stick around because we'll walk you through everything from its design to its driving experience. You don't want to miss this. Exterior design. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid is its sleek, sporty design. Honda has clearly taken inspiration from the latest Civic lineup, but with hybrid touches that make it stand out. Check out the new LED headlights, sharp, stylish, and designed to give the car a distinct look on the road. The signature chrome-accented grille is narrower this time, giving the front profile a premium feel. And for the eco-conscious touch, Honda has added blue accents to the logo to remind you it's part of their hybrid family. The rear sports LED taillights that wrap elegantly around the sides, and those aerodynamic lines not only look cool, but also improve fuel efficiency. The Civic Hybrid sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, designed to enhance both performance and aesthetics, interior and comfort. Now, let's take a step inside, and trust me, you'll be impressed. The Civic Hybrid's interior feels luxurious and spacious, a perfect blend of style and function. The dashboard has been revamped with soft-touch materials and a honeycomb pattern trim, giving it a fresh, modern look. The dual-zone climate control ensures both the driver and passengers stay comfortable. The seats, they're upholstered in eco-friendly leather with stitching that adds a touch of sophistication. The 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity a breeze. And with a digital driver's display, you can monitor everything from your speed to your hybrid fuel consumption in real time. Oh, and here's a cool feature. These front seats are heated, perfect for those chilly winter mornings. Plus, the rear seats fold down, giving you more cargo space when you need it. Performance and hybrid technology. Now let's talk performance, the heart of every Civic. The 2025 Civic Hybrid comes with a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with 2 electric motors. This setup delivers a combined 204 horsepower and smooth acceleration, making it a joy to drive in any environment. The Civic Hybrid offers 3 driving modes: EV mode, hybrid mode, and engine mode. In EV mode, the car runs entirely on electric power for short distances, perfect for city commutes. Hybrid mode intelligently switches between the engine and electric motor to optimize fuel efficiency. And when you need that extra boost on highways, engine mode kicks in for maximum performance. What I love about the Civic Hybrid is how seamless the transition between electric and engine power feels. You barely notice the shift. And thanks to Honda's regenerative braking system, every time you brake, energy is sent back to the battery. Smart, right? Honda claims an impressive fuel economy of 50+ miles per gallon, meaning fewer stops at the pump and more time enjoying the road. Safety features. Of course, no modern car is complete without advanced safety features, and Honda has packed the Civic Hybrid with some of the best in the industry. The 2025 Civic Hybrid comes with Honda Sensing, a suite of safety and driver assist technologies. It includes adaptive cruise control, keeps you at a safe distance from the vehicle in front. Collision mitigation braking system, automatically applies brakes if a collision seems imminent. Lane keeping assist, gently steers you back if you drift out of your lane. Traffic sign recognition, detects road signs and displays them on your dashboard. And check this out, it even has low-speed follow. It's perfect for stop-and-go traffic, making your daily commute a lot less stressful. Price, variance, and warranty. The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid will be available in 2 variants, base and touring. The base model starts at around $28,000, while the fully loaded touring version comes in at $34,000. Both models offer Honda's standard 8-year, 100,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews. See you in the next video. Drive safe for maximum performance.